Tired of having your summer ruined? Choose NuTone Haven, the revolutionary anti-mosquito shield, and retake control of your yard. You put a lot of love into it, so why not enjoy it to the fullest without mosquitoes?
Hey Tom, crank up the tunes!
Haven creates a protective zone against every type of mosquito with a permanent system of fixtures you plant in the ground. 4 fixtures cover a total area of 440 square feet. Each fixture contains a vaporizer that emits an odorless, invisible repellent that's harmless to people and pets. NuTone Haven is rugged enough to last all year long, and it comes with a 3-year guarantee. Plus, it's easy to install, so there's no need for an electrician. It's also easy to use. Just press the control button to turn the system on or off. After 4 hours of use, the system shuts itself off automatically. A single cartridge gives you over 216 hours of coverage, so you're protected against every type of mosquito all summer long. Say good riddance to mosquitoes. You won't be seeing them again. Enjoy a perfect summer thanks to NuTone's Haven Backyard Mosquito Repellent System.